Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to looking at the digraph O. Together, the letter A and U make the sound O. Remember, two letters, one sound. Let's take a look at some words with this sound and then. S, O, S, sauce. I had pasta and tomato sauce for dinner. Taught. The tent ropes must be taut. Hole. The truck brought a big hole. Gaunt. She ate so little, she began to look gaunt. Pause. Hit the pause button to stop the video clip. Fraud. John was charged with fraud. Cause. A tornado can cause huge devastation. Maul. The tiger will maul you. Paul. Hello, Paul. Fault. It's not my fault. Don't. Those dogs don't me. Haunt. A ghost wanted to haunt the house. August. It was so hot last August. Autumn. Autumn begins in September in the UK.